Hey everyone, Nina here from Ajayasthomani Guru. Today, on the 20th of May 2024, we are diving deep into the global market movements and analyzing some key events that might impact your investment decisions. Let's kick things off with the big news. Asian stocks are on a tear. They surged to a 2-year high on Monday, fueled by a double dose of positive developments. First, China announced a massive stimulus package to revive its ailing property sector. This historic move, involving 1 trillion yuan $138 billion in additional funding and relaxed mortgage rules, sent the Hang Seng Index soaring to a 9-month peak. Second, the softening US inflation data from last week continues to boost investor confidence, leading to global stocks reaching record highs. This week, we'll be keeping a close eye on central bank activities. We have a policy decision from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand coming up on Wednesday. Meanwhile, speeches and meeting minutes from various central banks, including the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank, will provide valuable insights into their future monetary policy stances. Remember, Governor Bowman from the Fed reiterated her commitment to raising rates if inflation doesn't show sustained improvement, while ECB board member Schnabel hinted at a possible rate hike in June but downplayed expectations for a series of aggressive cuts. Moving on to commodities, the Middle East situation is grabbing attention after a helicopter crash involving Iran's president. This geopolitical tension is pushing Brent crude oil prices towards a 1-week high. On a different note, China's property stimulus package also sent ripples through the commodities market, driving copper prices to a 26-month peak. Additionally, unrest in New Caledonia is fueling a surge in nickel prices, reaching a 9-month high. Last week's encouraging inflation data from the US caused a pullback in the global bond rally. However, 2-year US Treasury yields remain steady, while 10-year yields have fallen slightly. In the currency market, the dollar took a beating last week, experiencing its biggest weekly drop against the euro in months. However, it's currently holding its ground in Asian trade. Keep an eye on the New Zealand dollar, which is hovering ahead of the RBNZ's interest rate decision. So, folks, that's a quick wrap-up of the key market movers this week. Remember, this week is all about central bank decisions, data releases, and the ongoing geopolitical situation in the Middle East. Stay tuned to Ajayasthomani Guru for further updates and in-depth analysis to help you navigate these dynamic markets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.